In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to stream NFL Plus on TV. Let's get started. To stream NFL Plus on your TV, you need to download the official NFL app directly onto your compatible smart TV or streaming device. However, keep in mind that some live local and primetime regular season games may be restricted to the mobile phones and tablets based on NFL viewing rules, so the content available on your TV depends on your subscription and the specific game. To get started, turn on your TV and open its app marketplace such as Roku Channel Store, Fire TV App Store, or Google Play Store. Search for the standard NFL app and download it. Once the app is installed, open it on your TV and go to Settings gear icon. Then select Sign In. An 8-digit activation code should appear on your TV screen. Keep this screen open, then use your phone or computer to open a web browser, go to NFL.com, enter the activation code displayed on your TV and sign in using your NFL account credentials. After your account is successfully verified, the TV should automatically sync with your account, allowing you to access the NFL Plus content that is available for viewing on your connected TV. And that's it. This way you can easily stream NFL Plus on your TV. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.